Okay, Paul from iBroke. This is iPhone 4S. It was a brand new phone. Never been activated. Was sold to a client, and upon charging it and turning it on, the screen was all white, distorted, just not good. I started to take the phone apart and I stopped as soon as I found what the problem was. Where's my spudger? There we are. As soon as I took off the digitizer cable and went to take off the LCD cable, the LCD cable is, look at that, how firm the LCD flex cable has been not put through the assembly properly and has probably been creased up. So there lies the problem. See, that cable should be loose. It should be fed through with the digitizer cable, and they should be loose. That one is actually stiff. The flex cable did not come properly through the assembly. So that cable should lie flat on its own. So there you have it. It's going to need a new screen.